Welcome to the Lion City. If you're booking your next vacation and would like to see some of the most iconic Singapore tourist spots, you are in the right spot. From infinity pools at sky-high level to world-renowned landmarks, Singapore is full of tourist destinations that will leave you speechless. Stay with us as we review 5 Singapore tourist spots that every traveler enthusiast should come. First up, the famous Marina Bay Sands Infinity Pool. Imagine sleeping on a cocktail perch at the edge of the world. This stunning infinity pool is for hotel guests only, but the view in itself would be worth making a reservation for, looking out over Singapore skyline. It's one of the Singapore's most attractive places for those with a need for a mix of luxury and adventure. Trust me, no photo on social media can do justice to the beauty of this insight. Whether you are an early riser for sunset or sleeping in to witness the city light, this is one of the best tourist attractions in Singapore that you cannot afford to miss. Then, if you want some excitement, the Marina Bay Sands Casino awaits with hundreds of slot machines and gaming tables. It's not just somewhere to try your luck, it's an experience. Even if you don't play, walking through this upscale district provides a glimpse of Singapore's vibrant nightlife and one of the top Singapore tourist attractions for adults. Moving on to something completely different, the Helix Bridge. This magnificent piece of engineering is shaped in the form of DNA. It lights up nicely in the evening, a great spot to take leisurely stroll or picture for your travel journal. This bridge is more than just an overpass. It's one of the most photo-friendly Singapore tourist spots and a symbol of the city's urban progress. Don't forget to look down while walking. You see a breathtaking view of Marina Bay Sands reflecting off the water below. Truly one of the places to explore in Singapore that blends art, science, and nature seamlessly. No trip to Singapore is complete without a visit to Malayan Park. This lion-headed fish body statue represents Singapore as a former fishing village and its legendary lion legend. It's one of the Singapore's most popular Singapore tourist spots, perfect for photos and a quick shot of history. The neighborhood also has lovely view of Marina Bay, making a must visit on Singapore tourist plans. And finally, for a bit of some culture, visit the Esplanade Theatres on the Bay. Its design is a hub of arts, music, and theatre. If you watch a live performance or just admire the shape of the building, this is one of the best Singapore tourist spots attraction for anyone who wants to experience some culture. From concert and music shows to art exhibition, it's one of the Singapore attractions to explore that will enrich your travel experience. So there you have it. 5 not to be missed Singapore tourist attraction: the Marina Bay Sands Infinity Pool, Marina Bay Sands Casino, Helix Bridge, Malayan Park, and the Esplanade. If you're traveling here for the first time or returning for further exploration, these are guaranteed to make your visit one you won't forget. Which one of these Singapore tourist spots are you adding to your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like more travel guides to Singapore top attraction, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. Your next adventure starts here.